Starting this vlog a little late. Well, we're already in Vegas. No pre-video, no airplane or airport video. We're just showing up at the venue. Let's go.
I made a big mess, but it's fine because I cleaned it up myself and it's all fine. And so that's why it's like that. Maybe possibly a little sticky, but it's fine. I'll wash my hands before I touch cards.
That was a good coffee story.
I didn't realize.
Did you guys enjoy it? I thought it was a good coffee story. It was pretty good.
I'm not used to Michigan.
Waiting in line. It's super fun. These lines are crazy.
I feel that with how long. You like maybe
Wristbands. Wristbands. Well, that's not a wristband. That's a cool watch. I lose the quest.
With our powers combined, we can enter the venue.
Wow. Morning, day one, in the room. I want to get you on camera eating a banana. There's a lot wrong with me, but that's a whole nother story. To introduce us to your plushies there. Oh, are they on your bag? Yeah. All right, let's see.
Have really bad,
that's Jerry.
Traveler's Guide.
Terry.
Yeah.
Larry. Wow, that's crazy. Heading into the venue, walking in. We got Jerry. Jerry. We got Joseph, Grayson, this guy, and Jerry. The Gengar real estate lady.
It's the Pokemon Realtor.
Pokemon Realtor. Line is absolutely nuts. We're like snaking around like 4 times. What does Jerry think about the line?
I think it's stupid.
He thinks the line's ended up losing to Enzor, so that was super fun. But I did get a continuous coin toss in or knockout with Vitality Man, so I have 3 heads in a row, which is crazy. This girlie over here kicked butt, 1-0.
I beat up Gardevoir.
Woo-hoo! We got the win on with Jolting Boxing Enzor, and then this guy played well, but just bad matchup.
It was Raging Bolt with leaves.
Yeah,
Turtle,
bad matchup.
So
yeah.
When I clutched, had the Turo, leaves one shot, whatever I had, and then when I wanted the one catch the KO, had the Sawdust. I'm like, all right.
Yeah. So still plenty of tournament left for me and Asher. So.
Makes sense.
The sigh of relief. I wish I had the video recording on the sigh of relief, but it was crazy. But bad matchup against Gardevoir, and he got the dub. All right, round 3. I got my first win, so I'm technically still in it. We'll see how it goes. Got a tie for round 3, so you are 2-0-1.
Yeah, still undefeated.
Still undefeated. So let's crank it out. Finish out the day. We got Jerry. Good Jerry. Good Jerry. That's a good Jerry. There is a gorgeous looking man right there. How you doing? I'm all right. Let's go, bud. I win. Good job. 4-0-1. Nice start. Fantastic. Everybody get hugs again. That was so cute. Oh, yeah. Right. Oh, I love it. Everybody pet Jerry. All right. So which one's which?
So this one's Barry. Asher's
That's
a
Asher.
little bit chunkier.
Barry and Jerry. Barry eats a lot of berries, is that why?
Yeah.
That's why he's a little more plump. So we got Barry, Jerry, Larry, and Terry?
Yeah.
Okay. You are so cute. He's so cute. No, that's true. She's cute. But look at that facial hair. Superstition.
If you put us together,
Uh-huh.
it actually devalues her cuteness a little bit. So
That man, oh, go together? Oh, he's so right. It is so mean. He's cute too. He just needs to shave, that's all. Aww.
now I'm not going to.
Jerry, and which one's Terry? Not
I
Jerry.
can. This is Barry and this is Jerry.
Yeah.
Because Barry's bigger.
Yeah.
Because he eats so many berries.
Yeah.
So that was against Dragapult?
Charizard?
Oh, Dragapult Charizard, and you got the dub.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. I think that's guaranteed day 2, right?
Yeah.
All right. I went in for a hug, and this man didn't hug me back. He went and hugged Grayson because he just made day 2. Woo! Let's go.
Winning in for me.
And you got in? Winning in?
Winning in.
Let's
Lots
do
of-
it.
The next round. So.
Do it. It's the 511 crew. 511 crew. Let's go. Hold on, wait 1 second. Ready and action.
Jerry, Barry, Terry, and worst of all, Larry.
Larry. All right, this guy right here wins out.
Made it.
He did it.
6 in a row.
6 in a row. Day 2. Let's go. Bo 611. Grayson's 511 right now. We'll see if he can pull off this last win and end at 611. But we'll see here shortly. Grayson, how'd it go? Got it? Let's go. Was that Dingo?
Yes.
Yes.
With Lucario.
With Lucario?
Yeah.
Was it really?
Yeah.
You got some playtesting to get set, so that's a good thing. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Going into day 2, 19 points. That's your best start in day 1 that you've ever had. Great stinking job going in. That's awesome. Let's go. So day 2 is actually on day 1. We have both Trevor and Joseph. You can kind of see Joseph behind me there. In phase 2, which used to be day 2. So they're still in day 2. They still have to come back tomorrow, win or lose. But they're doing an extra round because of how many players there are. So this is the first time they've ever done this. So this is really interesting. We'll see how this all pans out and how the players feel about it. So just got done talking with Trevor. Unfortunately didn't get it on video, but bro has got mad plot armor. Just 3 unlikely wins, and he pulled off all 3 of them. And he needs to go 5-0 tomorrow if he wants to make top cut, which he's done before. He can definitely do it. Yeah. And then I think he has an option to lose or tie for top 32 is what he was saying. So yeah, either way, fantastic, and just proud of everybody right now. So Joseph made day 2, lost his round 1 of day 2, or phase 2 is what we're calling it, but still had a great set. So he's doing really well. Trevor doing really well. Bo doing fantastic. Grayson doing fantastic. Bo and Grayson are both 611 on junior and senior division. So they're off into day 2 as some of the top seeds. So absolutely fantastic. So proud of the team. Couldn't be happier. It's pretty freaking cool.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, robot.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, we got a whole nother.
Emmy loves robots.
Oh, it's getting louder. Happy birthday to
you.
the chorus.
Sounds like a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. No, it goes like entire to you.
Day 2, walking into the elevator. The most important epic vlog footage of walking into an elevator. Dun dun dun. It's Jerry!
Nope, there's way too much action going on.
Rise and shine, Buttercup.
Oh no, he did. that's, you know, that's kind of.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the slow motion. Totally getting I want to make the hands greasy, but this is
It's a breakfast popsicle.
It's a breakfast popsicle.
A brexicle? A brexicle.
I like it.
I also like it.
You like it? It looks amazing. It's a sandwich on a stick. I'm recording so you take another bite.
Only thing better would be a hair flip and a
There you go. All right, Grayson, we just saw your standings. So, started 6-1-1, going into day 2. Day 2, what happened day 2?
Lost 2 rounds.
It's a 0-2 day 2, unfortunately. It was Brick City. Day 1 was popping off. Yeah, I mean, the games that you lost, they were bricks.
Yeah.
Yeah, you went 1-2, game 1, and then game 2, did you go 0-2?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 3 out of 4 games you bricked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, top 32, you got 160 match points, and you get 18 booster packs. Let's go. Pole and Altar, super proud of you, bud. So your final record is what?
6-3-1.
6-3-1. That is a damn good record, kid. Good job.
So proud of you, little sticker.
So proud of you. Good job. All right, so Grayson wants to get a gift for his little sister.
Wait, little?
His big sister. What are we thinking? What was it?
The hat.
Which one?
The black one.
The black one?
Yeah.
68. You want to get a hat for your sister?
Black, and I've got a new white.
Black.
Which one?
You gonna put this on your Amex card?
What?
So Joseph starts day 2-0-2, and Trevor, I know he lost his first one. I don't know how he's done in the second one yet. So definitely not making top cut there, but definitely should pick up some points and stuff. So pretty good overall. Not bad for Team EGS. And that's the hat that we just bought.
Yep.
Prize pickup. Yeah, good.
Gets you 18. There you go. Congratulations.
All right, we got our prizing back at the hotel. Grayson's gonna crack this open, and we'll show you the hits at the end. Okay, Grayson's popping off over here. Any last pack magic? Nope. All right, so go over the hits that you're gonna add to your binder from half a booster box. That's not bad at all for half a booster box. I think you got a mixed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hits, so basically half. I said
Yes.
about.
Excuse me.
I said
Good job.
about a 50%.
Why do you like it? Remember that time I asked that Batman if he was the one that got beat up on YouTube?
Yeah.
And it wasn't him.
He was all offended.
So
That was not me. It was so funny.
He had to say it in his record.
Yeah. everything caged off for the Formula One race, which is kind of crazy. It's pretty cool though. Alright, we're gonna go tip the old guy. Bro's just floating. It's pretty cool.